Alrighty, YouTube, what is up? I am in currently MLM Gateway. I'm in the referral program section. As you can see, I referred 2 people last month. My current revenue was $24.95 with a 35% rate, so I get $8.73. So as a commission. So right here for detailed statistics and payout options, log in to affiliates. Make sure you have agreed to the terms. Okay, so I'm kind of confused because this is my first time being within the back office of MLM Gateway, or aka Gateway Affiliates. And as you can see, I have $8 in approved unpaid commissions, and I have $0 in commissions waiting for approval by the merchant. And the merchant is just like the payment processor, and the merchant is just like a merchant is just like PayPal. So it's a way that they can transfer money to different bank accounts, aka my bank account or your bank account if you get a sale too. So however the process goes for getting approved unpaid commissions to this area right here, however that process works, I will let you guys know because it's not very open to me right now. But I can go to promotions area and links and banners. They, like I said before, they do have banner ads and links and different links, so where you can basically promote MLM Gateway on different platforms that accepts banner ads and things of that nature. And a lot of traffic platforms accept banner ads and text ads and little ads such and such. So yeah, so whenever I find out how to get from point A to point B to where I can transfer my commissions to my bank account, I will let you know. But you can go to payout methods and you can plug in your bank account information. And I think that's why the minimum payout option is 100 to 200. It's only, so the minimum is at 100. So I guess if I make more than $100, then I will then be able to pay out. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video just talking about Gateway Affiliates, MLM Gateway's back office. Yeah, this is my referral link, guys. Go ahead and check it out. It's free to make an account here. And one more thing before I leave, I want to show you guys my advertising campaign. Every time I get a referral, I get some credits, and I use these credits to keep my ad and my banner ads going for MLM Gateway. So this banner ad right here is talking about, I believe, lease ad space, and the second one is talking about lead lightning. So yeah, just start trying to use outside sources, and and if you're not really in the budget, you don't have the it's not in your budget to buy traffic, just start doing things that will help you generate leads for yourself without having to come out of pocket for traffic, like simply making a video and posting on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter platforms, Instagram platforms. People can see it, and it's free to create videos or things like that. So if you don't have money, you got time. And if you don't have the money, then you certainly have the time to start generating leads for yourself without money, because you have a lot of time. So it takes time or money or both to start to generate leads and sales. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. My name is Devontae Graves. I will see you on the inside.